So we've been living in this house for nearly 24 years, and our trees now are just huge. And the leaves in the fall are just insane when they fall on the ground. In fact, what I've been doing is I've been using the lawnmower to actually mulch up the leaves. But when they fall down so fast, they really pile up and your lawnmower can't really get through it, so it just pushes the leaves away, and it just doesn't mulch them enough to where it's just leaving leaves all over the lawn. So the other solution that I had, instead of mulching them, I got this lawn vacuum, and it vacuums up the leaves. But that is very laborious. I mean, it takes a lot to vacuum it up. It works really well, but it just is very slow when you're dealing with a yard full of leaves. So I've been doing that for the last few years. And until this year, when my wife saw this online, it's called Gardena. It's a leaf catcher. And it's non-motorized. You just push it, and it has these little vinyl tines that actually are very flexible, and they just spin around and they pick up the leaves and shoot them into the chute. I'll show you the video in a sec, but that's what it does. And it's very well built. It's made in Europe. Very few things are made in Europe or in the US, and most things are made in China. So it's nice to have something that you can just tell is very high quality. So take a look at this video and see what you think. You just see some of the images on the box. It didn't go together as easy as I would have liked. It actually did not come with any directions, at least not in our box. Maybe they normally do. But the screw holes to actually screw the handle part on was a little tough to do, but I actually managed to do it. It's very well made. It's made in Europe, so it's not even made in China. So the quality is really, really good. And you can see, the internal mechanism there. It's just like, looks like little vinyl or plastic brushes that actually scoop up the leaves. Okay, now that you've seen what this device does on grass that needed to be mowed, now I'm going to try it after I freshly mowed the grass. All right, so what'd you think? It's a good pile of leaves. That didn't take much effort. Although it did leave some leaves down there, but a few passes and we'll should clean it up with no problem. The only thing I think it really needs is a handle grab back here, but other than that, there you go. Leaf catching made easy. If you want to know my thoughts on this, I think it's a really cool invention. It's amazing how it works, and the fact that it doesn't take any kind of gas or electric to clean up the leaves. You know, and when you get a lot of leaves like we get in the fall, it's just, you know, when they start to come down, there's just so many of them. And so even just your regular lawnmower just isn't cutting it anymore. And, you know, you can only mulch so much. So I think, you know, when you're trying to chop up all those leaves that fall, it's too much to be sitting in the grass. And I just think that, you know, this is a better way of doing it. Now, it's still going to take some time to do, but yeah, as you've seen in my video, it actually picks them up real well. And I tried it on even some of the smaller like oak leaves, and it was picking those up really well too. So normally what happens, like when I mow the grass and I blow all the leaves back into the yard, I got all those leaves there. Well, now I can just take this leaf catcher and just take it along the edges of where I blew onto the grass, and it cleans it right up and makes it look nice and neat. And so I'll probably do an update video on this as I use it when the leaves are really falling. And I'm sure in most areas of the north, you know, your leaves have already fallen. And if you haven't cleaned them up yet, you might want to, you know, invest in this nice little device and you know, make easy work out of cleaning up those leaves. If you like this video, or if you like what you saw, please click my affiliate link down there. You're not going to pay anything more than what you normally would, but it's my Amazon affiliate link, and so I just get a small commission for recommending this item. But I truly believe this is a really good item, and it should help clean up your leaves and your lawn in just a short period of time. So let me know what you think.